So, good morning guys. Today we are going to be unboxing a new car. Just arrived a couple of days ago. I haven't had time to really open it, but today we have some time, so let's take a look at it together. I have not opened this, so we will be doing this together. Yay! Okay, so this is the car. It is the SG Pinecone Forest. Sa pagkakaalam ko. So that's what it's called. This is a 1/10 scale car. It has lighting. It has 3 gears. I don't know if that's correct. It says it can do 15 kilometers per hour. I don't think so. Pero sige, wala nang mawala, di ba? Yabang na nila yan eh. Okay, so metal parts, 4-wheel drive, shock absorber, lamps, steering gear, throttle controllable, simulation tires. Okay, so that's it. So this is the Pro version. That means ito yung may mga ilaw, etc. This is that SG1010. So this is the one with the cover sa likod. So buong cab siya, hindi siya kagaya na itong isa na pickup. So ito yung SG1009. Yung ito is SG10101 Pro. And then this is the blue one. Hopefully this is a blue one kasi yun ang in-order natin. Okay? So let's open it now. Okay. Bukas na. Tignan natin kung makuha natin ng isang hugot lang. Okay. Okay. Para masikip pa. Okay, ayun na. Ayun na. Okay. Last niya. Okay, finally. Wala na iwan sa box. Okay, what is this? So this is the manual 4x4 climbing off-road vehicle instruction manual. Yeah, partly in Chinese. Okay. The manual is kinda okay. Okay, may counting parang ano din, breakdown ng parts. May part list. Ito yung stickers. Medyo climb drive. Anong sabihin nun? Number 1 driver. O, di ba? O, adventure. So, obviously, hindi natin kakabit yung stickers na to. Medyo, they look corny. Hinahila na ba? Okay. You're supposed to pull it out. I think. Okay. Okay. Ganon siya. Naiiwan siya. Okay, this is the controller. Oh my god, ang laki ng controller. Atras natin to. Okay, ito yung controller ha. Okay, so I'm going to show you a Dumbo RC controller. So this is a fairly modern controller ha, which is one of the best budget controllers. Actually, one of the best controllers period. Diba? Okay. Ayan siya. Ang laki ng diferensya. Nanliliit ang Dumbo RC. Obviously, hindi kailangan ganito kalaking controller. This is kinda and then, ang layo niya, ang hirap mag one hand driving dito. Sagad na sagad. Mahaba daliri ko, pero hirap na hirap. Dito, nilagyan ko na rin naman ng ito, no, pero mas madali. Even if wala ito, abot ko pa din. Abot. Maayos. Abot na maayos. Ito, oh my god, hirap. So, kailangan talaga 200 ka dito. Diba? Unless papalitan mo to, which, I don't know, from what I've read, mahirap magpalit-palit ng laman loob nitong RC na to. Okay, so anong meron dito? Steering trim, steering dual rate, speed. So, ito siguro yung 2-speed, hazard lights, mga ilaw. Siguro ito yung lights, ito lang yung sa headlights, mga ganun. Ito hazard para nagbi-blink-blink. Tapos, ito on-off switch. Tapos, power and indicator. I don't know, ano yung sabi ng indicator? Ano yung baterya niya? Okay, kailangan ng screwdriver. Okay. So, screwdriver natin maliit. Buksan natin to. This is a very old school type of controller. Hindi na kailangan ng mga screw. Dapat para masara ang mga battery hatches. Okay, uses 4 AA's. Lagyan natin ng AA. Ito yung AA natin. Tapos, wala. Kailangan mo siya i-screw ha. Hindi siya nasasara. Visit yun. Kailangan mo magdala lagi ng screwdriver. Okay. Ayan siya. So, Tingnan natin yung itsura pag naka-on. Ayun, on. So, ito siguro indicator, this would mean yung connection. So, pag nag-steady siguro yan, isipin connected siya sa sasakyan. So, I guess that's it. Power, obviously, naka-on siya. Yung sabihin, maandar to. Sige, off muna natin yan at tingnan natin yung kotse. So, ito yung kotse. Ang cute! Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Yan siya. Putik, ang cute. Tapos hindi siya, akala ko kasi maliit siya eh. Maliit na maliit. Hindi naman pala siya ganun kaliit. Tama lang siya. I like how it looks. Ito, medyo bouncy siya kasi yung shocks niya, obviously friction shocks. Tingnan natin yung ilalim. Okay, so underneath it, we can see that we have straight axles. Straight axles siya. 4 links, plastic, all plastic. Plastic din yung drive shafts. Mayroong kulay pula. There's like a red chassis rail. I don't know why they chose red. It makes no sense. But it's red. So, what can you do, diba? But, at least, 4 links siya. And, parang maganda naman yung kanyang play. Articulation is nice, relatively speaking. But the shocks are very, lumalaban yung shocks kasi nga friction lang siya. Steering linkages are also all plastic. Plastic. The servo, it's kind of small. Okay, this is the usual servos that we install in our 1/10 scale cars. This appears to be much smaller. Yeah. It is much smaller, so you're probably going to look at other options na mas maliit. Parang siya, alam mo yung mga servo ng mga MN models, mga MN82, ganon kalaki. Parang ganon lang kalaki. So, yun yung mga kailangan yung hanapin na servo for this. Probably yung mga 21 grams. Yun yung pinakamalaki na pwede. Maliit lang siya eh. So, other than possibly replacing the servo with something like a 21 gram from, I don't know, DS Power or NIB RC, I don't know what else. Okay, so, ayan, sa harap niya, it says, power! Okay, so, gustahan tayo, lakas nito. Okay, this is the motor mount. Ang ganda ng motor mount, siguro pwede mong kulayan to or like, to make it look like medyo legit na motor. Pero as it is, cute na siya. Andito din yung power switch. Hindi ka magkakamali. Okay. So, okay. And then, ang ganda ng harap niya, ha? I like it a lot. Okay. So, ito yung pintuan niya. Wala siyang windows. Open siya. Ito, alam ko, ganun. Wow! Ang galing, ha? So, full interior. Obviously, hindi nagagalaw yung steering wheel. Pero, pwede mong lagyan ng driver figure dyan. Medyo masikip lang sa legs. Pero, either ibuka ka mo siya or putulin mo legs niya. Diba? So, okay siya. Sarado natin yan. Okay. Wala. Okay, ito yung sa likuran. Hinihila ganon. Oh, ayun. Pwede ka maglagay ng other stuff here. Mga bagabagahe or mga pets, mga aso, ganon. Galing. So, hindi siya, etong side na to, meron siyang parang clear na plastic. Pero ito, open siya. So, ganun mo lang ulit. Hindi kasi siya nasasara pag ganyan. Kailangan mo siyang itulak. Okay. Tulak, and then, yun na, lock na siya. Tapos, meron siyang maliit na tow hitch na, gumagana ba itong tow hitch ito? Barely gumagana. Parang naaangat ng kaunti. Pero, the plastic is a bit soft. Pero hindi naman siguro ito mababasag pag natumba. Pero pag pinilit mo nga baka masira, di ba? Anyway, so, it's the other side, practically the same. This is the box that comes with it. What is in the box that comes with it? This is the box. Okay, you get your battery. The battery is a lithium ion na 1300 milliamperes. It's a 2S 7.4. Okay, so and then it uses an XT30 connector. I will probably replace this with a Dean's connector kasi so that I can use all my other Dean's batteries na ganito kalaki. And then this is the charger. So the charger, this is USB. It's rated at output is 1.3 milliamperes. So theoretically, pag ito, i-charge to 1 oras. 1 hour yan. Tapos yan, ganyan lang pagsaksak. Chuk! Okay na. And then, ito yung mga side mirror. Yung side mirror niya, malambot Okay, ito yung side mirror niya, gawa sa rubber. So, okay yun, hindi mababasag. Diba? Hindi siya mababasag. Dito siya papasok. Diba? Ganun siya. And then, you have a little tire wrench and 2 Allen keys. I guess that's it. We will be playing with this soon. So, abangan nyo na lang yung video na yun. So, for now, yun lang guys. If you have any questions about this product, just send me a message. It's super cute. It's super nice. And we will probably have a lot of fun playing with this little car. It's super cute. This is based on a old school Land Rover. I don't know what model. I don't know what year. But it does appear to be like a Land Rover car. Hindi ko alam paano tanggal ito. I want to remove this power sticker kasi ang corny Diba, palitan natin yan. And then, mayroon bang plaka sa likod? Okay, walang plaka sa likod. Actually, hindi ko alam saan nilalagay yung plaka dito. Pero, siguro dito sa gilid, nilalagay yung plaka dito, diba? We don't know. And that's it, guys. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. And, abangan nyo yung next vlog. Bye-bye.